Thank you for being here. Today we're delving into the world of pomegranates, a jewel-like fruit packed with flavor and nutrients. Just like avocados, pomegranates have a rich history and a plethora of health benefits. Pomegranates are one of my favorite fruits, even though I feel like I'm on a scavenger hunt when I'm eating one. However, that is until I discovered how to peel it, which I will cover later in this video. It is safe to say that I can now eat one under 5 minutes. Let me know if you have a hard time peeling and eating pomegranates. So let's dive in and uncover everything there is to know about this exquisite fruit, from its history, varieties, uses of pomegranate, health benefits, and how to grow them at home. Originating from the ancient lands of the Mediterranean, the pomegranate is one of the oldest fruits known to humans, with a history of over 4,000 years. It is believed to have originated in Iran, Afghanistan, and southwest Pakistan. Pomegranates have been cherished for centuries for their vibrant color, juicy arils, meaning the fleshy seeds, and numerous health benefits. They were highly esteemed in ancient cultures like the Greeks, Egyptians, and Persians, often symbolizing fertility, abundance, and prosperity. When it comes to top producers in the world, India tops this list, followed by China, then Iran. These countries dominate the global pomegranate market, showcasing the fruit's widespread popularity and adaptability to various climates. When it comes to varieties of pomegranate, there are many to choose from. Each variety offers its own unique characteristics, from size and color to flavor and juiciness. Whether you're seeking a show-stopping centerpiece for your table or a flavorful addition to your favorite recipes, pomegranates are sure to delight your taste buds and elevate your culinary creations. Let's discuss 3 varieties here. First, the Golden Globe. This variety is known for its impressive size, often weighing a few pounds each. The Golden Globe pomegranate stands out with its striking golden yellow color, sometimes tinged with hints of pink on the exterior. Their large size and unique appearance make them a standout choice for both culinary and decorative purposes. While less common than the other varieties, Golden Globe pomegranates offer a delightful sweetness and juiciness. Next, we have Pink Satin, also referred to as pink ice or sin pepe. The pink satin pomegranates are medium to large in size and boast a vibrant pink or red hue. These pomegranates are prized for their sweet, tart flavor and juicy arils, making them a popular choice for fresh consumption, juicing, and culinary applications. With their appealing color and delicious taste, pink satin pomegranates add a touch of elegance to any dish or beverage. Last but not least is the Wonderful. Arguably the most well-known and widely cultivated variety, the Wonderful pomegranate is renowned for its deep red color, large size, and acid-based juice. These pomegranates are highly favored for juicing due to their rich flavor and abundant juice content. Wonderful pomegranates are versatile in culinary applications, from adding a burst of flavor to salads and desserts to create refreshing juices and beverages. With their bold color and robust taste, Wonderful pomegranates are a staple in many kitchens and orchards around the world. Pomegranates are a culinary powerhouse, offering a myriad of uses in the kitchen. Whether you're tossing them in a vibrant salad, blending them into a refreshing beverage, or simmering them down into a luscious jam or preserve, pomegranates bring a burst of flavor and touch of elegance to any dish. In salads, pomegranate adds a pop of color and delightful crunch, complementing the crispness of fresh greens and creaminess of cheese. Their sweet, tart flavor balances out savory dressings and adds a refreshing twist to fruit salads. When it comes to beverages, pomegranate shines in a variety of concoctions. Their tangy sweetness makes them a perfect base for refreshing mocktails, cocktails, and smoothies. Whether you're mixing up a sparkling pomegranate spritzer, blending a tropical pomegranate smoothie, or shaking up a pomegranate margarita, these versatile fruits lend their vibrant color and bold flavor to every sip. And let's not forget about jams and preserves. Pomegranates can be simmered down into thick, luscious jams or preserves that's perfect for spreading on toast, pancakes, and scones. Their natural sweetness and hint of tartness makes them an ideal candidate for homemade jams infused with spices like cinnamon or cloves. Whether you're preserving the harvest for the winter months or whipping up a batch of homemade gifts, pomegranate jams and preserves are sure to impress with their rich flavor and vibrant color. Don't forget to comment below and let me know if you've ever tasted pomegranate. and subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much. Now let's explore the nutritional powerhouse that is the pomegranate. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, pomegranates offer an array of health benefits. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, particularly punicalagins and anthocyanins, which helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Several studies have highlighted the antioxidant properties of pomegranates, demonstrating their potential to reduce oxidative damage and possibly protect against chronic diseases. Pomegranates are also a good source of vitamin C, with approximately 48% of your daily recommended value, an essential nutrient that supports immune function, collagen production, and skin health. Research has shown that vitamin C can enhance immune responses, reduce the duration and severity of respiratory infections, according to the National Library of Medicine, titled Vitamin C and Immune Function. Another nutrient high in this fruit is dietary fiber, with 28% of your daily value, which aids in digestion, promotes fullness, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Fiber-rich diets have been associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes, according to the study published in the National Library of Medicine titled Dietary Fiber Intake and Mortality. With 36% of your daily percentage intake, pomegranates contain vitamin K. Important for bone health and blood clotting, adequate vitamin K intake has been linked to a reduced risk of fractures, according to a study Vitamin K and Bone Health. Potassium and folate, also known as vitamin B9, come in at 20% and 30% respectively of your daily recommended intake. Next, we will talk about a few chemicals in pomegranate that are very beneficial to you. Pomegranates contain various phytochemicals such as ellagic acid and flavonoids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that the phytochemical-rich diets may reduce the risk of certain cancers, including breast and prostate cancer, according to a study on pomegranate elagitanin-derived compounds. Finally, pomegranates are rich in polyphenols, which have been associated with numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, cognitive function, and skin health. Polyphenols may also have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, according to a study done on polyphenols. These studies highlight an impressive array of nutrients found in pomegranates and their potential health-promoting effects. Incorporating pomegranates into your diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to support overall health and well-being. So, pomegranates are not only delicious and packed with nutrients, but they also offer a low glycemic index, making them a fantastic choice for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. The glycemic index is a measure of how quickly carbohydrates in food raise blood sugar levels. Food with a low glycemic index release glucose slowly into the bloodstream, providing sustained energy and helping to keep blood sugar levels stable. Pomegranate's glycemic index typically ranging from 35 to 53 depending on factors such as ripeness and preparation. This means that the carbohydrates in pomegranates are broken down and absorbed slowly, resulting in a gradual rise in blood sugar levels rather than a sudden spike. For individuals with diabetes or those following a low glycemic diet, incorporating pomegranates into meals and snacks can help support blood sugar control. The slow-release energy provided by pomegranates can help prevent rapid fluctuations in blood glucose levels and reduce the risk of hyperglycemia and hypoglycemia. Here's the list of additional nutrients that can be found in pomegranates. Okay, with all that, I'm sure you're ready to grow your own. Let's dive into the details to ensure success in cultivating this nutrient-dense fruit in your backyard. With pomegranate, it is important to begin by choosing a variety suitable for your climate and preferences. Varieties such as Wonderful, Eversweet, and Ambrosia are popular choices known for their flavor and adaptability. Consider factors like cold hardiness, disease resistance, and fruit size when making your selection. Pomegranates thrive in warm climates and require a long, hot growing season to produce fruit. They are best suited to USDA hardiness zone 7 through 11, where temperatures remain above freezing for most of the year. Pomegranate trees can tolerate temperatures as low as 10 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 12 degrees Celsius, but may suffer damage in colder climates. There is good news for urban gardeners or those with limited space. Pomegranates can be successfully grown in containers. Choose a large pot with drainage holes to accommodate the tree's root. Use well-draining potting mix and place containers in a sunny location, such as a patio or balcony. Container-growing pomegranates may require more frequent watering and fertilization than those planted on the ground. Also, pomegranate trees typically take 2 to 3 years to bear fruit after planting, though this can vary depending on the variety, growing condition, and age of the tree at planting. Patience is key during the initial years as the tree establishes its root system and matures. Once established, pomegranate trees can produce fruits for many years with proper care and maintenance. Most pomegranate varieties are self-pollinating, meaning they can set fruit with pollen from their own flowers. However, cross-pollination between different varieties can increase fruit yield. If space allows, consider planting multiple pomegranate trees or varieties to ensure optimal pollination and fruit production. Provide your pomegranate tree with regular care to promote healthy growth and fruit production. Water deeply and infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Fertilize with a balanced fertilizer formulated for fruit trees. Prune annually in late winter or early spring to maintain shape and remove dead or damaged branches. Well, as promised earlier, here are the instructions on how to peel a pomegranate to get to the good parts. Begin by setting up a clean workspace with a cutting board. Pomegranate juice can stain, so it's important to work in an area that can easily be cleaned. Next, take a sharp knife and carefully score a circle around the crown of the pomegranate, cutting through the skin but not too deep to avoid piercing the seeds inside. Aim to create a shallow circle similar to how you would core an apple. Once you've scored the circle, use your fingers to gently pry off the crown of the pomegranate. This will expose the seeds inside and make it easier to access them later. With the crown removed, use the tip of the knife to make several shallow cuts along the ridges of the pomegranate. Following the natural divisions between the sections, these cuts will serve as a guide for breaking the pomegranate. Gently pull the pomegranate apart along the scored lines. You may hear a slight cracking sound as the sections separate. Take care not to apply too much pressure to avoid bursting the seeds. Use your fingers to gently pry the seeds away from the white membrane. Your peeled pomegranate seeds are now ready to enjoy. Add them to salads, yogurt, oatmeal, or enjoy them on their own as a nutritious snack. By following these steps, you can easily peel a pomegranate and extract its delicious seeds without making a mess or staining your hands. And there you have it, the exciting world of pomegranates. From their ancient origins to their modern-day culinary and health benefits, I hope you've enjoyed this exploration as much as I have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your pomegranate stories below. Until next time.